It is truly an honor and a privilege to stand before the men and women who were honed by mga Tarumuan Central School into empowered leaders and responsible citizens, trailblazers at that, and of course, successful men and women in their own chosen field of endeavor.
I want to talk about calling, faith, and the courage to keep going even when you feel completely unqualified. Because that's where my story truly begins.
If there is one lesson I want to leave with you tonight, is this. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to feel ready. You don't even need to feel brave. You just need to take the next right step with grit in your heart, faith in your spirit, and trust that God placed a calling within you. He will also give you what you need to fulfill it.
Our guest speaker for the centennial celebration of our alma mater easily qualifies as such. Professionally, he is highly accomplished with numerous academic and professional achievements detailed in his resume in our souvenir program. More importantly, he is successful because he has found his calling and has devoted his life to serving others in the field he is best equipped to serve. Our guest speaker is respected medical doctor and a specialist in abdominal diseases.
Hard work. This is because dreams without actions are just fantasies. You've got to put in adequate work to make those dreams a reality. Remember, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Indeed, as the saying goes, no pain, no gain. Diligence is the persistence in performing one's duties with adequate attention, mind, and care. To all my elementary school classmates and batchmates, especially the high achievers, I see you in a different light now. Growing up, I was often near the bottom of the class. But that perspective taught me to appreciate and admire those of you who excel to the ad hoc and organizing committee for trusting to choose me as the inspirational speaker on this momentous occasion, in spite of having the honors or any academic awards. Thank you po sa lahat. Salamat po sa inyo.
Gusto ko rin sana ipagyabang kung ano ba ang mga Tarumuan Central School noon at ngayon. Although sasabihin ko mamaya, babasa ko mamayang gabi yung history ng mga Tarumuan Central School. And simula